Well, I cannot believe I've not done a version to this yet, but here it is. You Do Something to Me, Paul Weller. I've based it on some of his Days of Speed versions. There's quite a lot of variations on this song out there on YouTube, but you know, I've sort of done a mix of a few, and you should enjoy this. Now, you want to hold this E minor chord, send it to the 4th and the 5th fret. Then we're going to bring in a D chord. You do something to me. We're going to hit an A minor 7. Now on the song you'll hear this B minor 7. But on quite a few versions you see him or hear him hold that A minor 7 and do this lovely move. Something deep inside. Now, I like to do that, and one thing that you might like is you're not having to bar. Of course, B minor 7 from A minor 7 sounds gorgeous, but if you want an easier life, do as your wife says. Just a joke. So you go here. Now it does all that again. Now then you get to the hanging on the wire. Now, this chord is really awkward. It's a C7, then with this G bass. I've always personally found that awkward to get to, so I cheat a little bit and just hit the C7, hanging on the wire. Waving. Now here you've got A minor 7, and then this C over D. It sounds fancy. It's literally one finger on the B string here, hitting the last 4 strings, hanging on the wire. Waiting for the change. And there's this lovely kind of bluesy little lick that he throws in, which is on string D on the 2nd fret, and you go fret 2 to fret 1, and then an open D string, and then try get back onto that C7. So again, from hanging on the wire, waiting for the change, then the riff, dancing through the fire, G to A7, then C, and then comes away again on that D over C, and then you're back in. It's quite nice as well if you're playing this on your own, just to do a little nod to the melody. You do something. And again, I've seen versions of him doing that. If you were to get, I don't know, 20 live versions of this up on Paul Weller with his acoustic, there's variations on it all, okay? So I'm just picking a few things out that you could try yourself on the acoustic guitar. Now that is on string D on the 2nd fret, and then still string D, but on the 4th fret. And then you got on hit an open G. And then you can hit the 2nd fret on string G, and then pull that open. So they are the chords, okay? You've got your verse, you've got your chorus, it goes to verse again, chorus again. Your instrumental part is playing a verse again, and it goes back to the hanging on the wire part. There is also a full version of this on my Patreon page with a full supporting tab, and with nearly 500 members now, there's also access to the Richard Guitar online WhatsApp community. If you are interested, let me know. I can send you a link to join the site. And if you feel that you need a little bit of a push with your guitar playing, I'm offering my personalised WhatsApp coaching. It is me that will be coaching you. It's not some Richard Guitar robot saying, "Hi, I'm Richard Guitar, I will teach you today." Anyway, I've got Charlotte laughing at me. We'll leave that in, Charlotte. We'll leave it in. Oh, we got the giggles. A good job it's at the end of the video. Tea or coffee? Anyway, please subscribe.